Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we will be exploring how to bolster your preventive maintenance plan. You will learn about various methods to fine-tune your preventive maintenance optimization, or PMO. We will start from the basics, such as consulting your technician, and gradually move on to more precise methods, like the 6-to-1 rule. So, stick around to get the most out of these insights. Let's dive into a few different methods you can use to enhance your preventive maintenance optimization, or PMO for short. One of the most straightforward ways to start is by simply consulting your technicians. Chances are they've been performing the same preventive maintenance tasks for some time and might have valuable insights on what could be improved. If there are tasks that seem irrelevant, they'll probably tell you if you ask. While this approach is simple and easy to implement, especially when you're just beginning to optimize PM in your facility, it's not the most precise and can be quite subjective. Now let's talk about a slightly more precise method. This one is based on an industry assumption proposed by a maintenance and engineering manager named John Day, Jr. a few decades ago. He proposed what's known as the 6-to-1 rule. This rule suggests that for every 6 preventive maintenance tasks you perform, you should be finding 1 corrective maintenance task. While this rule isn't flawless, it can offer a good starting point for optimizing your PM. If you're performing more than 6 preventive maintenance tasks for each corrective maintenance task, you might want to consider scaling back a bit. But remember, only do this after conducting some research. If your PM to CM ratio seems too high, it's advisable to analyze the types of failures you're preventing. If these don't pose a significant threat, reducing relevant PM tasks could be a good move. But what if you have more corrective maintenance tasks than the ratio suggests? Well, you might be dealing with one of 2 scenarios. First, you might not be doing enough preventive maintenance. Or second, you could be doing too much of the wrong kind of preventive maintenance. In either case, conducting some additional analysis can help guide you to the right decision. Dig into the types of preventive maintenance tasks you're performing and check if they're addressing the right issues. If they are, you might need to adjust your PM timing or quantity. If they're not, then it's time to scale those back and replace them with more relevant tasks. Another similar method involves tracking hours spent on preventive maintenance and emergency maintenance for a single asset. If you find that you're spending more time on emergency repairs than preventive maintenance, it's likely that there's a problem that needs addressing. In this case, you'll want to analyze the root cause. These last 2 methods offer more precision, but they do require more planning. So remember to keep this in mind when you start refining your preventive maintenance plan. And there you have it. A few different approaches to optimizing your existing preventive maintenance plan. Remember, every facility is unique, so take the time to find the method that works best for your team. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered how to optimize your preventive maintenance plan from consulting your technicians to the 6-to-1 rule. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For further details, visit us at upkeep.com. Your engagement is what keeps us going. See you in the next video.